user, how can we create department secretary? Shall I move? Hello. Hello.
हेलो
हेलो.
हाँ जी,
आगे हम बढ़े. विधानसभा यूजर देख लिया आपने कैसे क्रिएट
हाँ
करेंगे.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
आई एम मूविंग टू द हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट अ डिपार्टमेंट सेक्रेटरी.
जी.
To create a department secretary, same process. You only there is changes in the updation of the profile. So you want to create a department secretary, you need to select NeVA unit, and the same process. You can create the you can write the user ID and the password. Like I want to create a HOD AGR @neva.gov.in. Email ID, NeVA ID, name, gender, and update the mobile number of the department secretary. After that, you need to click on update CAPTCHA. Then your registration has been done, and you after that you can log in with this credential. Click on the login. Same if you want to update OTP or you want to log in without OTP. After that, you need to go to the profile and need to update profile of the department user. You need to select government secretariat. You want to make this user HOD of the department. So you need to select the administrative secretary head. These are the 3 radio buttons. These radio buttons are specific for the bills department user. When you are creating a bill department user who will process the bill, means there is a legislative department who is responsible for betting the bills, and there is a cabinet user which will approve required for the approval of the cabinet, and parliamentary affairs. So you need to select the radio button for the only for the bill processing, and others. I have selected the user type government secretariat, sub user type administrative secretariat, and after that you need to select the department for which department you are creating the secretary. I'm selecting all the. I'm moving with the all, giving the access to the all department at the present time. So after that you need to click on the update button. Then you go to the send request.
भूषण जी.
जी.
लेकिन वो अगर एग्रीकल्चर का बनाया आपने HOD तो खाली एग्रीकल्चर ही सेलेक्ट करोगे ना आप.
एग्रीकल्चर कर सकते हैं, वो तो हमने अभी दे दिया है. आपको
अच्छा,
जो
ठीक है.
रखना हो, मैंने अपना भी डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए आपको जितने अगर एक यूजर को मल्टीपल्स भी आप डिपार्टमेंट असाइन करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन असाइन. ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ इस आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट कि डिपार्टमेंट यूजर मीनूज फॉर द दैट यूजर, लाइक आई एम selecting start and start notice. I'm providing all request for the all menus. Then you need to click on the send role request. When you have clicked on the send role request, all the menus which you have required, it will be shown in the list. After that, you need to update the order for your to easy accessible easy access. Like I want to show a start question on the first, on start question and second, notices, and the notices will be third menu, other papers fourth, bills fifth. After that I want short notice question and six.
ये ऑर्डर देना जरूरी है?
नो, ये आपको इसलिए दिया जा रहा है कि अगर आपकी इजी, जैसे कि आप चाहते हैं कि हाँ इजी वे में कौन सा मेनू हमको पहले दिखे बाद में दिखे, इसलिए हम लोग ने ये प्रोवाइड किया है। इसमें से जो चाहते हैं उन वो दे सकते हैं। एंड अपडेट, when you have requested for this menu, then HOD request will be go to the super admin. Same process, you will go to the access control, you need to click on the pending request, and you will see the you are able to see I have created agriculture department head. If you want to see what menus, for what menu the user has requested, you I have given all the departments. If you want to update any department, you can update from here, and these are the menus which he have requested. If you want to update any menus, if you want to remove some menus, you can delete from here. And if don't want to need any changes, you want to assign same as a user has requested, you can click, you can select the checkbox and click on the accept request. Updated successfully. I'm logging with a particular user credential. You are able to see all the menus has been assigned to the HOD of this department. Same, if you want to create other users for the department, you need only there is change in the profile. For those users, this is the head of the department. You need to select a sub user type of in the sub user type other than head administrative secretary, and after that you need to select the HOD name of the department. Then you are able to create other than head of the department, and the roles will be all menus will be assigned, all their roles request will be gone to the head of the department, and HOD will assign the minuj. Okay. So I am logged out with the government department user. And I'm moving to the how can we create a member. Okay. How can we create a member? How can we create a member as a user? We have already updated the member profile from the super admin, but how can a member can log in? How can they process the questions? How can they request for the minute? We can see here. How can you create the member of the assembly or council? So same process. We are registering a new user. Update mobile number. Then you need to capture. Again, you will log in with the credential. Same, you need to go to the update profile. For the member, you need to select user type legislative house. Sub user type the member of the house. And if you want which user you in the member login, this will be need to select the member's name for which member you are creating the user profile. Like if you want to update profile for the you are creating the profile for Jitendra Singh, so you need to select the member name, and after that you need to click only on update. And same, if you want to create the for minister, you need to select sub user type as a minister. So I have created user type legislative house, a sub user type member of the house, and I'm the writing designation of the. After that, you need to click on the update button. Then it is the same process. After creating the profile member, from the members profile, you need to click on the send request. Like a member can send member can ask questions. So I'm assigning all the menus. I'm requesting all menus for the member. So I've selected all the menus and clicked on the send role request. It will. You can update in future also. I have selected only one uh, requested only one menu for the online submission at present time. So I am going to the super admin and assigning the role for the member. Same process, you could go to the access control, pending request. And click on the checkbox, select the checkbox and click on the accept request. The after that I will log in with the that member credential. Then you are able to see the members has assigned these menus. One common question that user will face difficulty when you have updated your profile, and after that you have requested for the role, then this profile will be locked. Then if you want to update in the profile section, then you need to unlock this profile. How can you do this? How I will show you this utility is available in the super admin login. And other things, any user want to change password, they can click on the change password. After that they will update their old password and new password and confirm and update the captcha, then the password will be changed. And I've already told that if you want to enable OTP authentication later, so how can you do this? If your mobile number is correct, then you need to select on the do you want to enable OTP authentication based login? Then you need to select checkbox. After that, you will update the captcha, and then you will click on the get OTP. If your mobile number is correct, then you will receive an OTP. After that, there is another text box, and you need to write the OTP and validate. After when OTP will validated, after that you cannot log in with the OTP, login without OTP. After when you have enabled OTP authentication, then you are not able to log in with the without OTP. So I am showing you how can you can unlock your profile, where from where you can unlock your profile. Like this, you are able to see this profile is locked. If you have done some mistakes in while updating the profile, then how can you do this? For doing this, you need to go to the super admin. And same, you can go to the access control. There is an option for the deactivate user. You need to select for the particular user that profile is locked, like I will show you for particular user profile is locked. If you want to unlock it, you can click on the unlock user profile. This user profile has been unlocked. Now you can go to the particular, you can log in with the particular user credential, and you can update the profile. Like I'm again logging with the particular user, so you can show it. You can see it. How can the profile is unlocked? How the profile is unlocked? You click on the profile. Now you are able to see you can update the profile. So I've shown you how can you can create users for assembly, how can you create a member, how can you create a minister, how can you create the question branch user and assign the role to the question branch users, and how can you create the department users. I've shown you. If you have any query, you can ask